Look at how defined my curls are. Look at the no leave out. Like, who wants to sit and match their hair to this? My 4C texture hair could never. It look good, it feel good, just perfect. All right, so here's the V-part wig and some instructions how to take care of your hair. And here I have the Kinky curly texture in 18 inches. Cute, it's gonna give natural vibes. And this is a V-part wig, so we'll just cut this. And you have 2 clips at the top, 2 combs on the side, and you have 1 comb in the back of the neck. You have adjustable straps, and then you even have elastic band. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, y'all, so really quick, let me explain my braiding pattern. So the only difference is the 2 middle braids. Everything else is just going back. These 2 middle braids, see what I did was just kind of braided over to the side versus just in the middle. So that way I can still crochet the hair right here without it going through the braid and hurting or looking crazy and lumpy and bumpy. So I just start off braiding my hair. And then I just come all the way over to the side. Instead of braiding it in the middle, I'm braiding it over to the side. Then when I get about at the crown of my head, I just braid it back regular because that doesn't matter. Only focus is right here where I will crochet the curly hair through. See? Everything regular cornrows besides these 2 braided over to the side. Cool. So let me go ahead and do my makeup. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Yeah. Okay, all right, let's put this right on. Now these clips, I'm going to put it in this braid so that I can crochet through the middle 2. So I will put it on the outer 2 braids. See it look like this. And now I'm just going to take small sections from the side and crochet them through, and you want to go down away from your part so they can flip back over going that way. So on this side, I'm going down. Grab the hair, come back through. And I'm actually going to do it twice. If you want to do it once because you feel like you may have trouble taking it off your hair, then do it once, you know. I'm going to do it too. So again, and the more I do, it's like the closer it will get towards the part. So don't worry about it looking far apart. That's okay. Like that. And then on this side, same thing, going down. It's a little harder for me to do this side, but up, through again, like that. Just keep doing this. And also, when I removed this wig, I just took it section by section and pulled it back through my braid. It was actually easier to pull it back through after I defined my curls. So that's all to it. Just pull it back through, girl. And I'm also going to go a little bit right here. It's giving it needs some love as well. So let's do that. Let me do this side too. Let's put one right here. So you can be doing it, huh? So down this place. Yep. Wait, because I just came up with another idea. Y'all know when I'm doing my wigs, I be using this. It's a root touch-up, but I did see somebody use this when they be doing their quick weaves. That's what I'm ready to do. I'm ready to use it right here on my part before I get to flipping it all over. Should have done this first, but it's okay. Okay, I think that's good. That look good. Okay. Now I use this water and mousse to define my curls. Before I do, I will cut a few layers in the front. So let's just cut this just a little bit, frame my face on. And that looked really good already. Let's get these curls popping. I'm gonna do it in sections. First define my curls with the water, and then I go in with the mousse. that's wet enough. Now mousse. I mean, if you're gonna work, shut up. What? Why? What the hell? Okay, back in action. Not sure what happened, but ooh. Now I'm just going to go through on the ends and do this little twirls to define the ends a little bit more. Let me show you what I'm doing. Just take a section of hair, get a little mousse, twirl it around my finger, there. All right, I love it, looking good. So now I would just go through and just pull these little curls apart. See, not too much because I did that one too much and that was a little frizzy, but just ever so slightly. This side was still a little wet and it has to be completely dry, so I'm gonna blow dry it some more. Alright, so almost done. I'm just going through and cutting it a little bit more. I feel like to get it to look full and I guess you could say like natural looking is to cut it a little bit before you define your curls. Just how I did in the front, just to shape my face. And then to go through and cut a little bit of the curls after you have defined them so you know where it's at. Because we know when it's wet, the hair is here, but when it's dry, it's up there. Yeah, they look really good. I love it. Girl, stop. And no leave out. So bouncy. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Definitely click the link down below to go give this hair a try. Leave me a comment down below as well. Let me know what you think about this look. Okay, so it's the next day. When I wrapped my hair last night, I just put this scarf on it because I tried to pull it up and do like the little pineapple. That didn't work out. So I just wrapped up the outside. And I think the curls are really still defined because I used that mousse and made it like kind of crunchy, which is cool because that way it can last for a couple days. So I'm just gonna pick it out. I think that look good again. Because this next day hair right here, it's giving natural.